Hello friends, I am going to do a tutorial about how to draw this beautiful snow leopard's eye. We're going to start to clear wash the paper first, just like in watercolors. I'm going to make it a little bit wet, not too much. You need to choose. You can either draw with a pencil, with a regular pencil, draw out your eye and your design really lightly. I really like to use charcoal pencils, either black when it's a light background and white if it's a darker background. So in this case, I'm going to use this one. Start with the round eyeball, which is perfectly round, and so I'm going to use this stencil. I make it easy on myself. Oopsie, see, that can happen. I just go in, I can erase it for the most part. Okay, now I'm going to also add the pupil.
I'm going to sketch just ever so lightly the eyelid basically.
Okay, and this part here is more or less black. So I just want to indicate where I put black and where white. Underneath here is sort of a white stripe. Okay, I finished painting my iris here, and for now, while this is drying, I'm going to indicate where I want the white spots. And this part here with my white charcoal pencil. Moving forward, I'm going to wash my brush and will add the black parts of the snow leopard. Dry your brush, pick up some black with the tip of your brush, and let's get started. guess what? We are finished with the acrylic paint. The rest of this, we're going to draw or color with soft pastels. Let me introduce you to chalk pastels. So these ones are just very simple artist soft pastels or chalk pastels. They're very chalky, so you can color with them. I love working with those because you can do beautiful shades with them, do some beautiful art, blend it. I decided to go with these 3 colors to add a little bit blue shade in here. So maybe even a little white goes in there to keep this area white, and I want the darkest part around the pupil. Just need your kneaded eraser, and then you can go ahead and pick up. You can either go like this, or you can actually rub it a little bit. But then it picks up all the paint, so you need to make sure you knead it again. That's why it's called kneaded eraser, to pick up some more pigments.